Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and thank you for joining me for another video. So today we are making red beans and rice, yes, and it's just in time for Mardi Gras. So for the beans, I have my celery, onion, and bell pepper, garlic. I'm going to use a little bit of fresh herbs as well as andouille sausage, smoked bacon, and then I also have my seasoning mix. So the first thing I do is take a little bit of olive oil and I'll add my bacon and my sausage and allow that to cook for about 3 minutes or so. Then I'll add in all of my vegetables and cook that until they're soft. And then finally I add in my garlic until it's fragrant. Then once my vegetables are cooked down, I'll add in all of my spices. And I have a little bit of cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper, and cayenne. Once all my vegetables are cooked, then I'll add about 1 pound of red kidney beans. And I did allow mine to soak overnight, but you can always do like a quick soak as well. And then finally I add 6 cups of vegetable broth, but you could always use water. And then I'm just going to toss in all of my fresh herbs, cover my pot, and then I'm going to let this simmer for about 4 hours. Now, as my beans cook, I do check my beans often to see if I do need to add any additional liquid or to see if I need to adjust the temperature on them as well. I also spend a little time mashing the beans with the back of my spoon. Then once I'm ready to serve it, I boil some rice, grill up a little bit of smoked sausage, and then I garnish it with green onion. I really enjoy the low and slow method for most things I cook. That's one reason I love to make beans of any kind, honestly. But let me know what you think about the red beans down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!